We're gonna get the intake off because we won't be able to lift it out of there without. Fuel line.
Screws all the way out.
What else is holding the cap? Okay, and then the gasket is right there. I can just loosen this bitch. This pushes in on the chain
Oh, okay.
to tension it so it stays on the cams.
Oh, I see.
There's two. No, watch for anything falling. Okay, once you pull these things, they have a. So we want to keep these separated. Okay, this side gets these bolts back, and that side gets those bolts back. So you don't want to change them because they're set to what they like. Underneath here, there's going to be some metal hoops. So watch when this comes off, those fuckers don't drop down in there. Now there's a ring. See, it stayed. See how it sits right there?
Yeah.
It's fucking trickery. Those things. See?
Yeah.
See that? It's fucking trickery, yeah. The way you know these go back in is by our dots. Okay?
Yes.
I can't remember if it did or didn't. Just like that. Okay, I don't know if you've seen it before. You want to take a look and see? Or let's inspect our caps and see if there's any kind of weird wear. Anything funky on top?
That one. More rubby than the others.
That's got a mark. A circle mark. It should be, that's a lobe mark, but that's okay. That's gonna release the top. Okay, and then these two, don't these release the side, that side of it? And then I got two over here.
Okay.
I'm gonna get it started and then I gotta unhook the chain. Hold this. What's gonna hold this? Nothing? Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3 gaskets.
And go.
I got the chain on the bottom. And pull that. Can you get it up any higher?
Hold on. This.
You can. You don't have to take it all the way out. You can, if we can set it up there, it'd be perfect.
Oh, here we go.
If anything falls, make sure you grab it.
There we go.
Okay.
I'll hold it up here.
If you want to pull that thing straight up, evenly though. Straight up evenly.
I'm trying.
Okay. Difficulties.
That side.
Something like this. Oh, there we go. Gotcha, you little fucker. How about
Right here.
Look, it came right back at you.
Yeah. Hit me.
Still the pop the middle.
Keep going. Wow, it's slippery. That's it.
Okay. These things have a direction to them. Okay.
This. Oh, there you go. You're.
Bitch part.
Actually, I can switch to my lap.
Nice. You got it, Rex. Oh, before you grab that, hold it. Okay, go ahead. Pull up again. Okay, now hold still. Let me get that.
Sorry, I'm gonna have to set it real quick. Hold on. It's just so much easier if we do it this way.
Yeah, I got it.
They look good. Like actually
Oh my god.
decent. I'm gonna let go.
It came out like that.
Yeah.
It's at the front. Oh boy, this is gonna be interesting. Which way was it?
Sure. Yep. Positive.
Oh, it better be.